Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Slavi, where we make cards and other paper crafts. As you can probably guess, we're doing another unboxing video today. And I've got a giant box off to my right here from Simon. Here's a code while I dig things out. I ordered a few things and it came in a giant box because there's paper involved. So we'll go over everything that I got. We've got Sweater Weather. And if you're not familiar with this paper pack, it is a remix paper pack from Lawn Fawn, which normally means they released it a few years ago and now they have updated the patterns, made them cuter, because you know that's what Lawn Fawn does, just makes things cuter. And I thought it would be kind of fun to go over everything that's in here, provided that I can get into it without tearing everything up. Okay, so a few of the papers, they're super cute. Ooh. And you get 3 of each of these, and these are all shrunk down designs of the 12 by 12 paper pack. So if you've never gotten Lawn Fawn paper, I love their paper. So for those of you who don't know, I started off my crafting journey, my paper crafting journey, as a scrapbooker. And here we have the Let It Shine snowflakes. And I used to joke that I had a paper problem, and I've stopped buying paper. Part of the problem that I had with hoarding paper was that I really wanted to not use up all of it. So it's been kind of a psychological experiment for me to see if I can get over that part of my personality and use up the paper. Well, the paper's still in Alberta. I'm in BC, but I've been getting some of these because these are actually really great for card making. So when you buy really cute paper, tell me if you agree with this in the comments below, but when you buy really cute paper, you want to showcase it. And with Lawn Fawn's paper, while you can showcase it, it blends into the background so seamlessly. And this is my favorite part, that right there. It blends into the background so seamlessly that you can use it just as a background, as a floor, as a wallpaper, whatever you need to do for your card to set the scene. And that's why I have been diligently getting them from time to time. Okay, now I also got this Pixie Dust Sparkles cardstock. Can you see the sparkle in this? Yeah, you kind of can. It is so pretty. I didn't think I needed this in my life until they started showcasing it in all the new release videos. Oh man, those snowbanks, I tell ya. And then just because I love sparkle, there are 5 different colors of sparkle paper in here. It's the holiday one. And since I am about to start making my holiday cards, I figured this would be perfect to add to my stash. And then I'm not going to open this one. These ones, it's just the 12 by 12 paper pack of the Let It Shine, as well as the Sweater Weather. Do you find that to be a tongue twister? Because I do. Sweater Weather. Can't say it properly. All right, now for the other goodies in here, I'm super excited. I have Villainous Potion, which I'm really looking forward to playing with. Can't wait to see what it looks like, and I'm gonna have to do some more swatching. And then to expand my Oxide collection some more, I got some Chipped Sapphire. There's some cards that are going to be coming that I used prize ribbon instead of Chipped Sapphire, and while I love it, there are certain things that you just need Chipped Sapphire for. Okay, now a few other things that I picked up. I have So Smooth here. just because it's super cute, and I've had my eye on it since that Marine Simon video earlier in the summer where she made smoothies. Oh man. And then I also picked up Critters in the Jungle. I have designs for this monkey right here, and then when I made that Harry Potter card linked above, I could have really used this guy. So I decided that I was just gonna bite the bullet and get this because it's so cute. Plus this will coordinate also with Toucan Do It, which I realize I haven't used yet, but it's on my list. Okay, now the other thing that I got is the quilted backdrop. It's so cute. Can you see how see, and it's used as a background here. It's just super cute, and I'm trying to get into the simple cards train, so that'll be really helpful. And then I got a little package here with my re-inkers for Villainous Potion. But the other thing they put in here that I'm super happy about is the Lawn Fawn Prisma Glitter. Now, I imagine that if you watch my channel, you also watch Jen Shirkus. If you don't, you really owe it to yourself to check her out. Look at that. Can you see the sparkle on that? I don't know if this is really coming through on video, but in real life, it is spectacular. Anywho, so Prisma Glitter. I actually did pick up some of these. This is from Amazon. It's just Quickie Glue pens, and it's all Jen Shirkus's fault. I'm happy to oblige. Okay, let me get some of this out of the way. And we have more stuff to unbox. All right. So, again, some more Simon stuff. If I can get in here. What do you guys think? I better be able to get in here. Otherwise, we don't have a video, right? Oh, here we go. Okay. So let's see what goodies I got. I don't know which one this is. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I got some of these Positively Everything storage boxes. I will let you know how they work out. I'm really excited. I didn't think I needed them, and then I'm really struggling with some of my organizations, so I figured I'd give them a shot, especially because, is it in here? I got these. So if you are not familiar, Ranger and Tim Holtz put out some seasonal product, which they've never done before. So it's once it's gone, it's gone. And this is part of it. This is the distress crayons that actually match the distress mica sprays that came out a little bit earlier that I did on a previous unboxing video, which I can link here. And this is the distress crayons, and I needed a place to store them. So yeah, I'm excited to try those out. I also got this guy. This is the Rabbit Hole Designs Cottontail Embossing Powder Tool from, I picked this up at Simon, and it's the powder tool that Jennifer Maguire uses, so I'm really looking forward to trying it out. Not that I don't like the EK Success one that I keep using, but if you look at the brush head, like, I've annihilated it. So I'm hoping that this thing will just be a better delivery method for my powder. I still really like the EK powder. But yeah. Okay. And of course, expanding more of my oxides, pine needles and tea dye, and aged mahogany and walnut stain. Really excited to try those out. Okay. So we'll get this stuff out of the way. And I have one more, and this one should be a lot of fun. I think this is the one that I've been waiting for the longest. It took an obnoxiously long time to get here, which made me really sad, but because I haven't started my holiday cards, it's not a big deal. Oh my gosh, I can't get into this. Yes, thank God for knives. Right? Okay. So in here we have, oh, this is the Window Scene Winter along with the coordinating dies. Now I know that I keep talking about how I don't normally purchase dies, but I really wanted this frame die because obviously my scan and cut won't cut in a scalloped edge without me doing some serious finagling, and I don't feel like finagling. Then I also got, this is part of the Stamptember collaboration of Simon Says Stamp and Avery Elle. It was just so pretty when they demoed it and I snagged it. So I'm hoping that this will be an addition to my simple holiday cards this year as well. And then I have Penguin Party, which is so cute. I'm so excited to play with the stamp set. And last but not least, I have Cheery Deer. And again, not the biggest fan of paper piecing dies, but this guy is so cute. I can't not, right? So hopefully I actually whip him out and start playing with him and all will be well. All right, so the only other thing that's in here is the little, I got 2 of them. They really want me to use them. All right, so let me get that out of the way and we are done. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.